Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the much hyped foundation that is Sugar Drop the Base Foundation. So I got it from the Sugar Cosmetics website when they were running a sale. So this retails for 899 rupees, but I got it for 450 rupees. This is the packaging, the normal Sugar package, as usual, good with their packaging. This is how the foundation bottle looks. So it's a very tiny bottle, I'll just show you. So this is the size of the bottle. You get 20 ml product for 899 rupees. I think that's slightly on the expensive side. Talking about the packaging, well, this is a frosted plastic packaging. It's not glass. Comes with a dropper. And let's see how the consistency of the foundation is. It's not very runny. It's like a normal liquid foundation.
Now I'm beginning with a few drops of the foundation just to check the coverage of the foundation, so didn't really want to go ham at the beginning. So now using the beauty blender, I can see that it is blending very well, but the sponge is really soaking up a lot of product. And when I was blending, another thing which I noticed, that it gave me a very sheer coverage at the beginning, but this foundation is buildable. So just a tip that if you are applying this foundation, I would suggest you use a brush instead of a sponge, so it would not soak up the product much. Also, another thing I just forgot to mention in the beginning, that I had already moisturized and primed my face before applying the foundation. Now this did add a glow to my face, and it's not really a matte foundation. So what I noticed was it did not really cover up the pigmentation that I have on my face, especially around my cheeks and then around my mouth area. So I went on with a second layer of foundation to cover it up, but it really didn't hide those pigmentations. Another thing I noticed with this foundation off camera is it does transfer. That is, if you're using your phone or anything, it will transfer on that object. Now with the foundation done, I'm moving on to my concealer, the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. So I will be applying it on the inner corners and outer corner, so not going ham with the concealer, as I have fine lines under my eyes, so I don't want the product to cake up. And I'll be applying it on the high points of my face. The concealer blended quite seamlessly on top of the foundation, so the foundation did not cake up or anything, and altogether it was a smooth blend. Now with the base done, all I need to do is set it in place. So I'll be using the translucent powder from Sugar to set the concealer in place. Now taking a fluffy brush, I'm dusting off the excess powder off my face, and I have applied some bronzer and some blush off camera, and now I will be setting my face using the setting spray from NYX. Now this is how the base makeup looks, and I'll be back with my eye makeup done and applying some lipstick.
So quickly talking about the foundation, It has really given me a nice smooth finish to my skin. Alright, and I have been wearing this foundation for the past 40 to 45 minutes since I was shooting another video for this particular eye look here. So if you're interested to watch this eye look, I'll be posting a video soon. This foundation, it hasn't really settled on my fine lines, so I am really loving this foundation as of now, and you will be seeing me using this in the next videos to come. So yes, I think this foundation is definitely worth the hype and you should give it a try. So yeah guys, this was all for today. If you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. It would mean a lot to me. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.